Hi and welcome to your next phase of living. I'm Jan Addams and I'm going to help you design a calm, colorful, aging in place, resort style home and life. Enter baby boomers. By 2031, about 23% of Canadians will be seniors. By 2061, there could be 12 million seniors to just 8 million children in Canada. The growing number of retired baby boomers has created both wealth, fiscal concern, and awareness of possible health needs. Enter aging in place. Our next phase is always about the needs, wants, and desires. Baby boomers need to plan for their future financial requirements. They want better health and places to wisely spend their wealth through fun, travel, and they desire to age gracefully, enjoying their home for as long as they can with their mate and extended family. However, some don't want to retrofit their homes with age-convenient products for one of three reasons. Pride. People will think I'm old. Denial. I'm fine. I don't need that stuff. And myths. The renos will hurt the resale value of my home. Well, welcome to Aging in Place Resort Style. Here's where I want you to ask yourself, where is our favorite holiday spot that we constantly go back to relax and recharge? Where is that location? Is it coastal, inland, or city? And what's the local attitude or vibe? Is it a very relaxed place or is it a very vibrant and busy place? The temperature. Are you more attracted to warm locations or cool locations? Of course, there are the amenities such as swimming, golf, tennis, restaurants, and shopping. What attracts you and what keeps you going back? Then look at the style. What are the houses in the area? The decor, the colors. They will be very different from area to area, and you will be attracted to certain styles. And your actual condo or hotel's best features. Is it the bedding and the linens, colors, furniture, the theme, or the conveniences? Again, ask yourself, why do we keep going back there to relax and recharge? Okay, let's dream to focus. This is a picture of a ski hill. Obviously, this is the cooler end of the spectrum. Can you picture yourself living in a little ski resort town where you can see the mountains off in the distance and can hardly wait to get out and ski? What about maybe in the forest? Maybe it's a European little house that's nestled nicely into all the trees, or it's a very contemporary house that actually feels like it's part of the forest. Is that your happy place? Maybe it's a desert dream. There's a lot of people that love going to Nevada, California, all the different areas where it's very warm and you're attracted to golfing and the heat and the dryness. Is that your favorite place? Well, my hubby and I's favorite place, you're going to start seeing a little bit of a trend. We are very fortunate and happy, and you can see that, yeah, we're kind of water babies, and the ocean is our happy place. In fact, that's me, and I'm always thinking about warm, calm, blue oceans with friendly creatures above and below the sea. But how do I take the place that I love and live in the city? These are things that I've had to ask myself, and this is what we did. Okay, who's Jan Addams? Well, that's me. I'm a 35-year interior design veteran. I am a published style strategy author, and I'm an online image to interior trainer. I created a book called Discovering Your Inner Style, 8 Steps to GURU. It's where your personality, your body shape, and your coloring interrelates into your interior design. That's me on Breakfast TV. I'm also a designer. That's my main focus. This is an example of a concept design to construction, to the actual completion, and it's a carriage house for one of my clients that we did first before he moved into his main place. But I'm also a wife, I'm a mother, I'm an artist, I'm a pet lover of all furry and feathered creatures, but I'm also a fellow baby boomer, so believe me, I get your pain. I have designed our age-in-place resort-style life based on my husband and my needs and desires. It's now your turn to create yours. Now please understand, it's not about how much money you have. It's about bringing your favorite holiday vision, playful attitude, and a willingness to explore options to make life as we age stylishly convenient. What is aging in place? It's important because millions of people are already over 65. And by 2061, there could be 12 million seniors to just 8 million children in Canada alone. But understand, it's not for everyone. It's an individual and a family decision. And it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be doing it in your current home. And your needs need to be planned for and realize that it is a short-term solution until it is no longer viable for health or safety reasons. Now, versus resort-style living. This is recognizing that changes are necessary as our minds may still be young in attitude, but our bodies need a break. It's living a simpler, calm, organized, and inspiring life that has the best of everything you can afford. And it's surrounding yourself with your happy colors and positive memory accessories. And it's designed with stylish and convenient accessibility products ensured to last 7 to 10 more years in your space. Do you have a plan in place?